Hello guys, this is Pawan from Ambitronics. So today I will tell you how we can take input from Atmega16 microcontroller. It means I will just take one push button and one LED I will connect to another port, and while pressing the push button LED will glow. So that thing I'll just show you. So okay, let's get started. First I'll go to file and new, and I'll click on project. We want GCCC executable project, so I am clicking here, and here I'll give it a name, right name, input push button, and click OK. And here I'll choose the right board, Atmega16. So here you can see the data sheet and all if you want. So click on OK. So here one snippet I got. So here we'll write our own code now. So what we want to do, we want first data direction register. We want port A I'll take as an input and port D I'll take as an output. So DDR A equals to 0x00. I am taking this as an input, and DDRT equals to, I'll take this as an output, so this will be 1. So in while one case we will write the if condition. If pin A equals to 0x01, so I will just here I'll give the delay ms50 for, let's say, key debouncing, and then port D equals to 0x01. We need to include delay header file as well. So here we will include delay header file. So util delay.h, for this delay and all it will be included. Now here else if pin A equals to 0x00, so same thing will copy here, but this will be 0x00. So this is the case. Here we are writing DDR equals 0x00, pin port A as an input and port D as an output. Instead of this we can also use bitwise register. Let's say I'll use here bitwise register, only one left shift. Let's suppose I want to enable 5th pin of port D. I want to enable, means like my LED will be connected to 5th pin of port D, and here same way 0 left shift 5. so this way also 5th pin we can enable and disable. Well, when will we press the switch, then port D 5th pin will be enabled, and when we will just release the switch, port D same 5th pin will be will turn off, LED or connected LED will be turned off. So this is the logic. So very simple and short program. Okay, let's build this thing. This is util. So again we'll build app CPU not defined, so we'll just define the app CPU before the delay.h file. We'll take it from here, and we'll just paste it here and we'll take this thing as 8 megahertz. Now we'll build. I don't think we'll get the warning now. So okay, build one succeeder up to date. So okay, hex file is already generated. Now we'll go to our Proteus simulation. I don't have hardware in this case, but definitely this thing will work in the hardware as well. So here in the Proteus case, you can see the schematic. I have connected LED to 5th pin of this Atmega16, and here we have the push button, and it is connected to 5-volt supply. We are pulling down the pin to this PA0 pin. We are pulling down, and then whenever we'll press the switch, it will get the 5-volt, and if switch is not pressed, it will get 0. So okay, so let's dump the hex file. So this debug, this input new, this we have written push button. This is the hex file. Okay, now if I'll just switch on, I'll just run the simulation, and if I'll just press the switch, so it's on, and again it's turned off because again it got 0. So if I'll just press and hold the switch, so it will be 1, and if I'll just release the switch, I'll get 0 again. So this is very simple program of Atmega16 in which I am telling you how we can read an input, how we can read a GPIO pin of our Atmega16. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys, thank you very much.